see your Snapchat streak history and longest streak. So let me tell you guys, Snapchat does not have a native feature to view your full historical streak records or overall longest streak across all friends. However, you can view your current streak counts with individual friends on your chat screen, view individual record milestones, and restore lost streaks. So to check and manage your streaks, open the Snapchat app on your device, then tap on the chat icon at the bottom left of your screen, then look next to your friend's name. You will see a fire emoji followed by the number of consecutive days you have been snapping each other. Now if you and a friend hit a major milestone like 100, 200 or a multi-year streak, Snapchat often generates an animated charm or recap video featuring your Bitmoji avatars alongside the exact milestone number. You can view this anytime by tapping your friend's profile and checking their friend charms. Now if you accidentally lost an active streak, you can use Snapchat's built-in streak restore feature. Just tap your profile icon at the top left, look for the chat that was on a streak, and tap the restore button. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.